Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I'm just gonna be getting emeralds for Creeper 14641, and Creeper's just out there fighting pillagers, not even gonna interfere. But we have to I have to fill all this up. He has about 6 stacks to go, so I'm just gonna show you how to do that. And maybe, in the middle of it, I will show you. That didn't hurt me. Alright, so yeah, I will get to show you about how to do it. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys, I got the materials and stuff, and I am gonna go trade villagers. So yeah, I'll just show you the detour. The reason I'm not speeding is my humble bar is low, and I know you can probably barely hear me because it's really loud here. But anyway, so that's like all I could trade with that, 2 emeralds. And I could probably trade with about 2 or 3 emeralds with the rotten flesh. So, yeah. Yeah, so that's all I could do, but yeah. Oops. Okay guys, I'm back on Minecraft. I just had to show you that for a sec, so then I can show you how to make the, whatever you call it. So, on my house, remember I showed you about that, concrete making thing over here. So I'm going to show you how to make this yourself. So what you need is any kind of walls you want. Hang on, first let me kill this zombie. You're probably wondering why he's not dying. Because he has armor on and a helmet. So he doesn't die automatically. You have to actually kill him. So, yeah. Oh, good, it gave me rotten flesh. I need that for doing emeralds. So yeah, you just go 2x2. So yeah, you just go however high you want it. So
I need a food.
Yeah. So you just go like that, and you dig out these 2 areas. Alright, sorry, Creeper had to tell me something. But yeah, then you grab a bucket, and then you just do one there, and then one there. And then you can grab like slabs and then put them here. It's only if you want to.
You want
but
me like to say his
no.
name?
No.
Comment down below.
I will in the future sometime.
No, comment down
sometime
below.
In the future.
Right now.
Sometime in the future I'll release my name out to the world.
And I think we should bury you for those lucky gales.
Anyway, so yeah, you just grab, if I can find my slides. Need that. Also need that and that. Okay, there's 2 slabs.
What?
But yeah, see, whoa. So yeah, so you just place them like right here, and then they'll just, nope, there's a creeper. So yeah, you just do that. It's really fast and easy. So yeah, make it yourself, and yeah, don't know, maybe, yeah. Anyway,
Get out of here, stupid pig! Get out of here!
let's get back to the video. Okay guys, we're back in the villager trading hall, trading off some emeralds for a creeper. I might not get all the way through, but just a start for now. So yeah, we'll just do this, and then yeah. So let's just do this really quick. Well, luckily I got some sugar cane that I can make paper and get some more emeralds, and then yeah. So here's how you make paper. You have sugar cane, 3 rows. So yeah, it's that easy. Try it yourself. Just kidding, that's a school thing I do. So yeah, then you just do that, and yeah. Let me just, okay. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you're new here, like, subscribe, post notifications, and yeah, even if you're not new here, just go ahead and subscribe. So, and yeah, and yeah, so go subscribe to Creeper 14641 and Green Kid 1 and 180 Gaming Shorts, and also certified fully. Go subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.